Vamos a echar un huevo para hacer un omelette. Huevo, queso. Lo batimos. Lo vertimos en el sartén. Que lo recomiendo 100% porque no se pega y es perfecto. Y excelente regalo para el día de mamá.
Fry stick, non-stick, the pan does not stick. Let's see if it is high quality. We recommend it for the Mother's Day. Ahora se vira y no se desbarató, quedó perfecto. It looks perfect.
These are a beautiful color, but you can literally see through them. Like, literally see through all of them. And they're so flimsy. Wow.
If you were thinking about buying, go ahead and buy. Super cute. I just probably don't like this, but all of the items in there, perfect match of pink. Google.
I bought this set because I needed new utensils after moving. They're pretty nice, pretty good quality.